Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, and once again, if you trade cryptocurrency, feel free to use my partner link down below. I've been working with the guy, trying to figure out why some of the stuff wasn't working. Seems to be working now. So if you want to help support the channel, the simplest, easiest, free way for you to do it if you're a cryptocurrency trader already is just to use my Bitget partner link down below. Right, I got a beautiful link down there. Use my partner link, and that helps support the channel. It doesn't cost you any money, and there's up to a $5,000 or $44,000, depending on your deposit requirement right now, right, exclusively to my partnered link. So if you already trade cryptocurrency and you want a great exchange, Bitget's the exchange to use. Use that link down below. I appreciate anybody that uses that link, right? So we'll try to make some good trades on there. Right now in the current market, sorry, I've been a very busy day, a lot of meetings and whatnot, getting shit shipped out. But you can see right now, we're threatening to break out of this rising wedge right here. You see that? Big rising wedge. If we break down out of that, right, you could try to, we've been thinking since this could come down here and double bottom. It hasn't done it yet. Had a couple big falls, but it hasn't done it yet. And if we look at the U.S. dollar, the dollar's trying to rally today, right, after it had a big down day yesterday. And that allowed the stock market and the equity markets and crypto to have a nice pump, right? And now you can see if we go to the 3-minute time frame, the dollar's trying to rally, but it's not really having that much success doing so. And Bitcoin, the old Bitcoin that everybody loves, this is just going to be a quick update. You can see right now it's kind of trading in no man's land. Your major underneath support is down here where it tagged earlier, right? And they got a nice bounce, but now it's getting rejected off of that rising channel that we just shown. So option one is it pumps up. Option two is it pumps down, right? And you got your upper resistance right here and your lower support right there. If we take a look across the field, you can see XRP continues to sort of sit in no man's land too, right? It's sitting at just above the last line of defense, the shithouse in 28 cents. It's trying to come up to that 200-day moving average slowly but surely, but it's having a hard time. So your underneath support's 28 cents. Your overhead resistance is 37 cents from the prior consolidation, right? That prior consolidation right here, that would be your upper resistance. And then everyone's favorite XLM, you can see it's trying to still trade at that 0.07. It's sort of like XRP. It's in no man's land. It's just kind of trying to trade through this area right now. But your initial underneath support is about 7 cents, and your overhead resistance is your old high right here where that purple line is at about 16.5 cents. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Some more updates to come, my beautiful audience.